Ever wondered if your Setmore booking system could do more? Not just schedule appointments, but truly elevate the customer experience and boost your bottom line? If you're using Setmore, you already know it's fantastic for streamlining your booking process. But what if I told you there's a whole world of add-ons that can transform your basic scheduling into a powerhouse of efficiency, marketing, and revenue generation? Today, we're diving deep into the often underestimated power of Setmore add-ons. We'll explore exactly what they are, how they work, and, most importantly, how you can leverage them to supercharge your business. Forget just taking appointments. We're talking about taking payments, sending automated reminders, integrating with your favorite apps, and even attracting new clients, all within the Setmore ecosystem. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of each add-on, let's clarify what we mean by add-ons in the context of Setmore. Think of them as enhanced features or integrations that extend the core functionality of your Setmore account. Some are built directly into the Setmore platform, requiring just a simple activation, while others involve connecting Setmore with external services. The beauty is, whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a bustling salon, or a growing service business, these add-ons are designed to make your life easier and your customers happier. One of the most impactful add-ons, and frankly, a game-changer for many businesses, is payment integration. Imagine this: your client books an appointment, and right there, at the point of booking, they can pay for the service. No more chasing invoices, no more awkward payment discussions after the service. Setmore integrates seamlessly with popular payment gateways like Square, Stripe, and PayPal. This not only significantly reduces no-shows, but also improves your cash flow. Setting it up is straightforward. You simply connect your preferred payment gateway within your Setmore account, and then you can choose to require full payment, a deposit, or simply offer an optional payment at the time of booking. This level of flexibility allows you to tailor the payment experience to your specific business needs. Think about the time saved and the professional image it projects. Next up, let's talk about automated reminders. How many times have you had a client forget an appointment? It's frustrating, it's a loss of revenue, and it throws your schedule off. Setmore's automated reminder add-on is your silent, tireless assistant. You can set up email and SMS reminders to go out at custom intervals before an appointment, whether it's 24 hours, an hour, or even just 15 minutes. This drastically reduces no-shows and last-minute cancellations. It's a simple feature, but its impact on your bottom line and your peace of mind is immeasurable. Not only do they reduce no-shows, but they also demonstrate a professional and organized approach to your clients, enhancing their overall experience. Now, for those of you who juggle multiple platforms, Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar Sync are lifesavers. If your personal or professional life lives within these calendars, you know the pain of double booking or missing appointments because your schedules aren't synced. With these add-ons, any appointment booked in Setmore automatically appears in your Google or Outlook calendar, and vice versa. This ensures you always have an accurate, up-to-date view of your availability across all your commitments. It's about eliminating friction and ensuring you're always where you need to be, when you need to be there. Beyond just scheduling and payments, Setmore also offers add-ons that help you better understand and engage with your customers. The Customer Reviews add-on, for instance, allows you to collect valuable feedback directly from your clients after their appointments. Positive reviews are gold for attracting new business and building trust. Imagine new clients seeing a stream of glowing testimonials directly on your booking page. It's an instant credibility booster. This feedback loop is invaluable for improving your services and identifying areas where you excel. For businesses that thrive on video consultations, the Teleport video conferencing integration is an absolute must-have. Whether you're a therapist, a consultant, a tutor, or a fitness instructor, this add-on allows you to seamlessly host video meetings directly through Setmore. When a client books a video consultation, a unique Teleport link is automatically generated and included in the appointment confirmation. No more fumbling with separate video conferencing platforms. It's all integrated for a smooth, professional experience. This feature has become particularly crucial in today's remote-first world, allowing businesses to expand their reach beyond geographical limitations. Let's not forget the power of team management add-ons. If you have multiple staff members, Setmore allows you to create individual staff profiles, set their specific services, manage their availability, and even assign different pricing. This add-on provides a clear overview of your team's schedule and ensures that clients can easily book with their preferred staff member. It's essential for maintaining order and efficiency in multi-provider businesses. You can even empower staff members with different access levels, ensuring they only see and manage what's relevant to their role. For those looking to expand their reach and attract new clients, the Instagram booking add-on is a fantastic tool. It allows your followers to book appointments directly from your Instagram profile, turning your social media presence into a direct booking channel. This eliminates friction and makes it incredibly easy for interested individuals to become paying clients. Similarly, the Facebook booking add-on offers the same seamless booking experience for your Facebook audience. Meeting your customers where they are, whether it's on their favorite social media platform or your website, is crucial for modern businesses. And speaking of your website, the Setmore booking widget is another vital add-on. This allows you to embed your entire Setmore booking page directly onto your website, giving your clients a fully integrated booking experience without ever leaving your site. It's professional, convenient, and ensures a consistent brand experience. The widget is fully customizable, so you can tailor its appearance to match your website's design. Finally, while not always explicitly called an add-on, the robust reporting and analytics features within Setmore are incredibly powerful. Understanding your booking trends, peak hours, most popular services, and client demographics can provide invaluable insights for optimizing your operations and marketing strategies. While the core Setmore might give you basic data, the more advanced reporting capabilities, often tied to premium plans, offer deeper dives into your business performance. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions about your business's future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.